Introducing FLAT, the world's first air purifier, which is also a custom wall art. FLAT automatically detects, displays, and reacts to provide a fresher and healthier environment. It is super compact and has a powerful aerodynamic circulation system with a color-coded LED indicating the current pollution level. It's so slim that it fits great on the wall behind decorative paintings. FLAT is ideal for removing almost all household airborne particles, such as dust, bacteria, viruses, pollen, mold, pet dander, and smoke that are harmful to health. Set FLAT to work. It will adjust the purification level based on the air quality. Its self-developed two-stage filter pursues the sweet spot of airflow, efficiency, and economy, trapping 99.9% of the pollutants in the air. Check the real-time air quality in your home, monitored by the built-in sensors through the app on your cell phone. Adjust the airflow as much as you like in manual mode, or have it on auto mode to have FLAT take care of it for you automatically. So you can sit back and relax. There are 5 speed settings, including an ultra-quiet sleep mode. FLAT reminds you of the exact time for filter replacement. The long life filter can last up to 3 years, so you can run FLAT non-stop while saving money. You can connect 2 FLATs in series to double the filtration effectiveness to fit a larger space. FLAT also spreads refreshing music. It integrates stereo Bluetooth speakers to wirelessly play favorite tunes or wake-up alarms for you. The lights-dimmed, noise-reduced sleep mode allows you to sleep much better and wake up much more refreshed. FLAT. Enjoy fresher and cleaner air all day and night.